We got 9 inches of snow yesterday in Tennessee.
Oh, now you're talking to me.
So we're going snowboarding. How many times have you gone snowboarding this year?
This will be my second time.
Second time? And like 5th or 6th time ever?
3rd time ever.
And you're kind of spoiled. You got new jacket.
Look at my new goggles.
New
They look
goggles.
cool.
Oh, you ready to shred it?
Yeah.
Go shred the gnar, bruh.
Shred the gnar, bro?
Let's do it. Ready to shred the gnar, bruh.
Okay.
First lift of the day.
It's so funny.
It's cold.
Yeah.
You need jacket
You see my
on?
nose?
Nose a little red?
Yeah.
Didn't snow over here as much as Knoxville. They're making snow though. Today?
What?
You gonna do good today?
Maybe. I just hope I don't crash a bird.
You'll be fine. Hopefully the snow's good.
I'm gonna be that me and my St. You.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I sent it to you on Instagram.
Did I?
Yeah.
Huh. Well, hopefully it's not just a little bit of snow on top of all this ice. You know, baby. The chair's all ice. It's all ice.
Ah!
It's gonna get rained over here. Oh, Yard Sale City. Well, you ready? Get off the lift?
Already? No, I'm scared. I'm not ready. Where's it at?
Right here. Can't
Wait,
see
I don't even have my mittens on. I'm not ready. Ooh.
Better hurry up.
Shut up. Ah.
Hey, you better close those pockets too.
What pocket?
In your coat. The side ones, where all your shit is. Your vape's gonna fall out. Then what are we gonna do? Here, when we get out, I'll sniff them for you. You're such a fiend. Did you take a sip of that?
A sip of it?
There's pockets on the sides too.
I can't. I don't know.
I'll do it when we get up there. You ready?
Oh my god, get closer to me. I'm scared.
You better not embarrass yourself.
Shut up. I got hot hands in here. I'm so fucking scared right now.
We're going so slow, it's fine.
People.
Yeah, don't hit them. Yep, good job. Killed it. Just like you know what you're doing.
I'm a fucking pro. What do you
Fucking pro.
Do I go left or right?
Hold on, let me just.
What?
Hold your.
I can't get it. There you go.
Alright, you ready?
Where do we go?
Oh god, not there. Go, let's go over here. Kind of like snowboarding with a kid. I gotta do everything. You got it, dude?
I got it, dude.
Here, hold this. Just go slow, you'll be fine.
I'm scared. Where do I go?
We're gonna go right up to this, between the poles here.
What?
See these poles? It's a little flat right here. When we get over this little bump, just go to your back edge right away, okay?
wheels?
Yeah.
Baby, I'm scared.
It's okay, you look cool. That's all that matters.
I don't care where but I look cool right now. I'm scared. No, baby, don't do that.
You're fine, just go to your back end. She's scared. She knows how to do this. It's fine. It's all just white snow. You don't need to see anything.
Why can't I get up? Oh God, he just missed it.
It's still hard, huh? Hold on.
I want to do that too.
Okay, just stay on your back here. There you go. Go that way more so you don't hit the pole. That's icy, be careful. Yeah, that's all ice right there. You got it. Yep, good job. Good job. Mid-run thoughts, how you feeling?
Scared.
Scared? Alright, keep going.
I can't see anything. I don't like it.
I'm going backwards, I'm not even looking downhill. It's fine. You're doing great. Careful those light chunks over here. See where that lift goes, right?
Yeah.
That's where we're going. Try going to your front edge now. Remember what I told you about your arms? Opening up your chest. So if you want to turn this way, turn your chest that way, backwards. Now go to your toe edge. Or your tail edge, that's fine. Oh, sorry. Go to your toes. Good job. Nice. All right, stop. Where are you going?
My face hurts.
Your face cold?
I can't feel my lips.
You feel your lip?
No, I can't feel my lip. Ow! I think I got frostbite on my lips.
No, you didn't get frostbite. Just snow.
Baby, I can't. Ow! You're hurting me. Sorry for what I said when we got down to the bottom.
What'd you say?
You're hurting me!
Mwah.
Ow.
Good job. First run you only fell once, I think, right?
Yeah.
Now what do you want to work on?
Committing?
Committing more. Stay out of that ice chunk because that's awful.
Yeah.
And then maybe going back and forth to your front edge.
Yeah. Because I'm just staying like this the whole time.
Yeah.
And I want to be able to like move around.
Yeah, practice going back and forth, and then once you
And
get.
I'm trying to be more cautious of where I'm putting my weight, because I think I'm just putting my weight like on my front. But when I got down here, you know, like when you told me to keep going, and because I was going kind of fast, normally I would dip out, like I wouldn't go anymore, I would just bail.
Yeah.
But I was like, don't bail, so I didn't bail. And then Where was I going with
You went
this?
to your toe edge over here finally.
Yeah.
That was good. I was kind of worried you were going to catch your back edge and fall on your back.
That's where I was going. I felt like I was putting my weight where it needed to go instead of like being inconsistent with my weight.
Yeah.
I felt like I was more cautious.
Where you open your chest to where you want to go. So if you want to turn left, turn your whole body that way, and your legs will follow you.
Yeah. I guess I'm just not confident enough to do that yet.
Oh, that's first run. Let's do it again.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Do it. Surprisingly, hardly any people here. Everybody's too scared to drive, probably, huh?
Yes.
Now it's right for the next one. Thank you. All right, make sure you put your
What?
put your binding down. Otherwise, you end up like me. With zip ties. Bar down.
Oh, we have to do that video. And you have to say it.
He's trying to make me do TikToks. Straight up G.
I need windshield wipers.
Are you ready?
Hey, where do I go?
What?
Where do I go?
Downhill.
Ah!
Keep going downhill. Let's just go downhill.
I can't see anything.
That's all right.
I don't like that.
You want me to go first?
Yeah?
Come on. What is that? They lost their vape juice. Good job, nice toe edge. Somebody lost their vape juice. Oh, hot right here, huh?
I'm scared.
Why?
Where do I go?
Yeah. Good job, dude. Oh. You good? Nice. Good job. just packed hard underneath it, so it's kind of tricky to learn on. Yep, lean left. Now go to your tail. Nice. Go more to the right so it's less icy. She's hauling ass. Dude, you were hauling ass. Nice. Who's this song remind you of?
Amen and Beck.
I found you some vape juice on this video.
I don't use this stuff.
Alright, we just got off the big lift all the way at the top. They're making snow, so it's complete whiteout. We can't see anything. I don't know where we're at, what trails what colors anything there are. But like I told Justyna, we're just pointing downhill on the white stuff and we'll be alright. We'll figure it out as we go, right?
What?
We're figuring it out where we're going as we go.
Yeah.
Just point it downhill. We'll be alright. Stay away from the bears. There's a warning bear sign right there. She's afraid of the bears coming out of the trees. Coming to get her. Go on. Coming to get her. Got a new fancy face mask on, so she feels all cool. Almost at it. Just downhill. You start to see trees on your left, go right. Alright? You know what you did there? You leaned back.
I got a leg cramp.
What? You got a leg cramp?
I got a leg cramp. Ow.
You need to work out.
Go.
Still? Oh, dude. You alright? Yeah. Straight out water puddle. She's right underneath that water. She's getting soaked.
Dude, I went fast as fuck.
Yeah, you did. Dude, we're soaked from those snowmakers. That's so wet. We're gonna be soaked. How'd it go?
Good. I think I was nervous because I couldn't see anything. So that was also, I don't know why, but my anxiety tells me that there's a bear chasing me. So that was a little scary. But other than that, I felt pretty good.
You only fell once?
Yeah, I only fell one time, and I went really fast.
Yep.
And I felt really good going fast. Like, I didn't feel sketchy. You know when you go fast and you're like wobbly and sketchy?
That one time you fell, you had that leg cramp. But you were,
oh my god, yeah.
You were leaning on your left leg and that's why you felt like that.
Yeah. My left leg.
Or your back leg.
Yeah, because that's the one that I got the cramp in.
Yeah.
Was this one.
Yeah.
It was a thigh cramp.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that kind of sucked. And I was really scared of somebody hitting us. So instead of like massaging the cramp out, I kept getting scared that somebody was going to run into me. So I just got up and kept going.
Yeah, the snow that they're making is so wet. So when you're underneath those snow machines, it's like just water falling on you almost.
Yeah.
When you stopped at the bottom, you were like
in it
10 feet from that one.
Yeah, I know.
It was blowing right in your face. That's why your hair's all frozen.
Yeah. My toes are cold, so I think after this we're gonna go inside and take a little break. Maybe hopefully they have some hot chocolate.
We need to go dry off all that stuff.
Yeah.
We can get some hot chocolate.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, we bought one of these for me.
Yeah.
And 10 out of 10 recommend. My nose is nice and toasty in it. Also, I can't really keep my eyes open right now because the fake snow.
Kind of windy.
Yeah. Okay, my face is getting cold again.
How your goggles working for you?
Good, but we need to de-ice them.
Yeah.
We need some de-ice spray like they do on aircrafts because this shit gets icy so fast.
That don't even work and stuff like this. What about your new coat? You like your new coat?
Yeah, I do like my new coat. There's no snow getting in.
Pretty dope.
A pretty dope coat.
Big kangaroo pocket on it.
Yeah, love that. I love the fact that it's a zipper and I can undo it with my mittens.
But it sucks that
we're not sponsored, but we should be.
We're kind of sponsored by Eric.
Yeah, by my stepdad.
Eric bought us these.
Thank you, Pops.
Dope jacket too. Thanks, Pops.
Thanks, Pops.
Alright, one more rundown and we'll take a break. Cool?
Let's do this, bud. Are you ready, dude?
I'm ready, dude. You ready, dude?
Yeah, I'm ready, dude.
Don't fall. No pressure.
Great last time.
Sure.
What do you mean, sir?
I'm just kidding. Yeah, you did good. It's kind of sketchy though, these ruts going on here.
What?
These ruts they got going on here. Like a pro. It's like you know what you're doing. Have you done this before?
What?
Have you done this before?
Yeah, like 5 other times.
No, you don't. You don't want to be that guy.
A speaker? Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
All right, get it. Good save. Oh, that was a good save earlier. What was that? He's going so fast. Good job. We only have 3, but we're building 2.
Okay.
That's cool.
Oh, pretty. Okay, what are your hopes for this one?
Just have fun. It's like everyone.
Just have fun?
Yeah. I want you to try to record me and see how that goes.
Okay.
So that tram, that big tram thing we saw when we parked?
Yeah.
That goes to the back of this building. Actually, it's that big...
That big thing? Yeah.
Thing, all the way down the mountain to into Gatlinburg.
Yeah.
This is way at the bottom of the hill.
That's just so pretty.
It's like $40 to ride from downtown. It's probably a little more safe than what we did.
Yeah. Okay, well, it's... What time is it?
3 probably? 3:20.
3:20, and the slope's closed at 5, so we only have an hour and a half left, so we're going to try to strut it up.
Somebody lost them.
I was scared you were going to push me off. Ah! What?
I think somebody lost something, but they're searching.
Oh, yeah, they are, aren't they? Or no! That sucks. Anyway, so we only have an hour and a half left.
It's gonna take us 30 minutes to just drive the lift this time.
Yeah, so I think our next one we should go to that shorter one. We can get as many rides in as we can, right? Or
When we get to the top of this one, we should go to left because there's a little black chute that goes around to the left.
Black is expert, right?
Yeah. It goes. That's the only black one here, I think.
You think I can do that?
Yeah.
Is this one black? The one we've been doing?
No, those are all blue. It's not that bad.
You think I'm ready for black?
You did it at Catalucci?
Catalucci's different.
No, it's not. That's bigger than here.
Oh. Well, it feels different.
No.
Well, and the visibility is low.
Yeah, because they're shooting snow.
And there's like no visibility whatsoever.
You're going slow. It's not like you need to see where you're going. I'll go in front of you.
Yeah, okay.
But we go left on the top instead of right.
Alright. I think I've been doing good at getting off the lift.
You haven't fallen yet.
I know. I'm doing great. Okay. Alright, I'll see you. Well, actually, you won't see me. I'm going to try to video Cade. So.
Okay, love you, bye.
Okay, love you, bye.
We're still going. You gotta hit the top one.
Okay. Okay, we're getting off the lift. This is my first time as a videographer.
Videographer.
Whatever you call it. What do you call it? Videographer.
Videographer.
That's like that one time that I said photographing.
Photographing.
Yeah, perfect. Okay.
It's sunny out now.
Yeah.
It's a bluebird, except for it kind of looks like a blizzard because they're making snow.
Yeah.
We gotta go that way. See if we can go left?
Yeah. Okay. Let's get it, dude. Yeah. Hey, good.
Let's go past this and
Okay.
then get strapped
Can
in.
you hold this? What am I doing? Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. I got it. Yeah, I got it. Oh shit. They weren't kidding about it being necessary. Alright, dude.
Good? Well, I ate shit finally. Alright? You alright? It's kind of tricky doing that. Yeah. Yeah. When he lost his helmet. His helmet's just rolling down the hill. Oh no. It's still going. Oh, and he just ate shit again. Poor guy.
Those are the guys that were on the ski lift, or by the bonfire, and they were all drinking Fireball and,
Oh, really?
or I mean moonshine, and they were drinking beer too. He's probably just plowed.
You shit-faced. Shit-faced on a Tuesday. I got it. Damn. Always chaos right underneath the ski lift.
What?
Always chaos right underneath the lift.
Yeah.
I love it. Well, how'd your day of snowboarding go?
Good. Couple things.
You're a tired baby now?
A little bit of a tired baby, yes. Second, I hurt my wrist a little bit.
Yeah, we didn't catch on video, but you ate shit.
I did, yeah.
You stuck your hand out.
Yeah, bad decision. I did fall on my butt and I hurt my tailbone literally like right before that second crash. That one hurt pretty bad too, but then my wrist made me forget about it and it was fine. Other than that, I ended up getting really cold again. Yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend. I would do it again. I don't recommend saying this is the last run. Kate didn't tell me that rule.